Hi, I'm Tunde Dugantsi, Hungarian gingerbread artist, and today I will create a white hexagon cookie with fun textures and roses. Now I divide the cookie into 6 sections, and I use a cookie cutter as a template for the middle part. It's a heart. Now I outline the heart and the whole cookie, and I divide the cookie into 6 with straight lines. I use a piping consistency icing for all of this, and I divide each section into 2, and I will use flood icing to fill every other section. And of course I leave the middle open because it will get a grid. I will sprinkle these with sanding sugar to add a shiny, fun texture. Now I will fill the middle part with a grid. I start with parallel horizontal lines, then I make the vertical lines across to make this grid. This is what I usually use for needlepoint designs, but this cookie will not have a needlepoint design inside. Now I fill the rest of the sections with flood icing. And I will let this set before I go to the next step. I outline the middle part at the heart, and I reinforce the dividers between the sections with an extra line. And this cookie is part of a 4-piece set. If you follow my channel, you will see all 4 of them. This is a white set with roses, with swirl roses. Now I add a row of dots around the middle part. It will highlight the middle part. And I add a sugar bead to every other section, to the flooded ones, the parts that don't have the sanding sugar. I give a bead border to the cookie, and I also add dots to the divider lines. You see, dots make everything look prettier, but they are a little bit time consuming, so I never do dots when I have to make big batches of cookie. So I will add the flowers to this cookie, and I hope to see you again soon. I post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Thank you for watching. Bye.